Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we are going to be cooking a stuffed pastry that is in the shape of a wreath. Ooh, fancy. It's really tasty and a great recipe to share with lots of people. So, let's get cooking.
Thank you!
Spinach is an edible flowering plant that is used as a vegetable. It is native to Western and Central Asia.
Sounds interesting.
Spinach is believed to have originated in ancient Persia. We are unsure as to who or when it was brought to India and later to China, but it was known as the Persian vegetable.
Miss G say what?
Hey, you! March 26th is National Spinach Day. Can grow 30 centimeters tall. That's the equivalent to 4/5 as tall as a bowling pin.
What?
The health benefits to eating spinach include improving our skin, strengthening our bones and muscles, improving our eyesight, and helping our heart. Thank you, spinach. Thank you so much. China produces 90% of the world's spinach. First ever company to advertise frozen spinach all the way back in 1949. Yeah. Medieval artists used the pigment from spinach to create green paint.
Miss G, what are you doing?
I'm painting with my spinach leaf, of course.
Yeah, Miss G, you can't use a spinach leaf to paint. It's the pigment from the leaf that is used to make the paint. Did you really think you could just use a leaf to paint?
Well, I guess I'll just eat this spinach then. the winter squash. Oh yeah! Virtually the whole squash plant is edible. Yeah, the whole plant, including the leaves, tendrils, shoots, stems, flowers, seeds, even, well, obviously, the fruit. Squash plant can grow between 45 to 75 centimeters tall. Wow! That's the equivalent measurement to 2/5 as tall as a fridge or 2 bowling pins.
Miss G say what?
Squash is a very old crop. There's evidence that it was cultivated in 8000 BC in Mexico and Peru. The Native American tribe Sioux cut pumpkin into strips, dry them, and weave them into mats for sitting and sleeping on.
Sounds
Wow.
interesting.
The pumpkin is pretty versatile. Yeah.
That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. Yeah, you don't need to be upset. I upload weekly cookery videos where you guys can cook along at home with me and learn interesting facts about the ingredients. I mean, you don't want to miss that. Subscribe to my channel right now so you don't miss any other episodes.
Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen.